Oh, I can't see anything, but I just want to see one free swimming.
The water's come up high as fuck here.
Yeah, well, it all pushes back in here. Like it pushes back, same as Norton's.
It goes fucking...
Yeah, like it.
Washing machine. Yeah, but look here, bro. Holy...
Would have been wild through here.
That looks like a mad... That looks like a fake rock.
Yeah. Target species. Oh, look. We found them.
They're just all in the middle of this.
Yeah. Lovely.
Oh, maybe a bass.
Maybe.
Not trout go like that.
Don't know what that is. No, I think it's a trout, eh? Or is it a bass? Little bass go.
Fuck yeah. Well, they're all here then.
Oh, he come over the wall.
Yeah. That's good. Maybe a car fell off the fucking edge though.
Bit damaged up there.
Pulled half?
Yeah, smacked. I was hoping it was a trout because it would have been like a sort of decent one. You can see the full brown line, eh? I wonder if they'll be sitting on the edge of that.
Another big rainbow, bro. He's right there.
Huh?
Big rainbow, like this big. Follow me
Followed
all
it.
the way up, just to here. Just been casting in the middle of here.
I wonder why they're not committing.
He followed me all the way up. That was the big rainbow. Like he went all the way up like this.
Slowed it.
Slow, just like looked at it.
Yeah, like are they?
Pussy shit.
Bass or
Oh, bass, good bass.
oh bass,
Oh,
eh?
the pussy shit. Swallowed it too.
Better bass fishing now than it was prime season. Good one.
All the bass in the pussy shit.
Nice little one. Come for trout and we're catching bass.
That hit hard.
Yeah, I thought it was a good trout.
What the fuck?
That's why I reckon that mud line might be effective too.
Yep, one again. Trout, right in front of me.
Good trout.
Right at the front of the boat.
Next cast, good trout.
I reckon they'll school of bass. That fucking.
Possibly, eh?
Yep. Oh, that fucking smacked me too. Another trout.
How crazy do they
Oh,
go?
nuts, eh? He looks a bit better conditioned, but
Yeah, he's better condition. That last one was a bit. How you going?
a bit fatter this doggy.
Bit of damage from the wall, I'd say.